Okay, here's a quick little video about bearings for trig in case you've never really been exposed to them before. But basically, what you do is anytime, like, say you're, like you're in the middle of this ocean here, and you're doing bearings. And so, say you're at a location right here, and you want to go somewhere else or whatever. But here you draw your north, south, east, west, and that's a little crooked, but you get the idea. So here's north, south, west, and east. All right, and so what this is telling is that you're going to bear north, but you go 20 degrees to the east. So you would measure a 20-degree angle there, and that would be the direction that you are heading, okay? And then at some other point, you might stop again, make another XY quadrant, and then your bearings would be from that point. But again, what this is telling you is that you start out north and then 20 degrees towards the east. So this one, if you were going to figure out that bearing, so again, you're somewhere in the middle of the ocean or wherever you are. And so say you're right here. So you draw your little XY axis. And again, you're starting from the north, but this time you're going 60 degrees to the west. So you're in this quadrant over here. So you start up at the north and you go 60 degrees towards the west. So about right there. And that's where you're heading. Same thing down here. Again, you're somewhere out in space. And here's your little XY axis. But this time, notice you're going south. Or that's where your key area, I guess, is. But then you're in the southeast quadrant, all right? And what it means is you start out, so you're south, but then 10 degrees to the east. So you're south, and then again, 10 degrees is not very much. So that's the direction you're heading. So you start out south, but a 10-degree angle towards the east. And then this last one, again, you're somewhere in space. And so here we are. Again, we're focusing on the south this time, so you're going to either go this way or this way from the south, but you're going to start here and either go up or up, either direction. Now, this one is southwest, so again, you're in this quadrant, but you start at the south and you go up a 45-degree angle, and that is the direction you're heading. So again, anytime you do bearings, you either focus on the north or the south, okay? That's always your first step. And then the angle that you take is starting from the north, going either this way or this way, depending on if they tell you that it's to the west or east. If you're south, again, same thing. You start at the south end, and your angle either comes off there to the west or to the east. All right, that's it.